In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sew up the skirt pleats for F4U Patterns Monae Dress. I've drawn the markings for the pleats on the right side of the fabric with water-soluble fabric marker. So for the pleats and the skirts, you can see I've marked the front of the fabric. I fold the fabric to match up the markings, and I will sew down with a straight stitch. You might want to measure your markings and indicate on your fabric till where you have to sew, or find a way of marking this on your machine by knowing how far you have to go. The stitch will stay in here, and it can just be a straight stitch. I stitched in the pleat. As you can see, I've just used a straight stitch. This doesn't need to be a stretch stitch. Next, I'll fold open the pleat, and as you can see here as well, fold it open like that and then press. Here you see what the fabric looks like with the pleat sewn in before pressing. So I'm marking the middle of the pleat so I can match it to the seam I've just sewn. This is how you fold the pleat before pressing it in. You can see here how I've pressed and then clipped all pleats for half the skirt piece. You can see both the right side and the wrong side of the fabric. Next, I basted in the pleats so I can remove all the clips. Once you've done both skirt halves, attach them together. And here you see the result of the pleated skirt with inverted pleats attached to the bodice, here with sash. Once you're done with hemming and finishing, you get to enjoy the new F4U Monae dress, though now you may need to make F4U Brielle leggings to match.